Hello, this is Sujit. Welcome you all in my channel, Rojong Digital. I'm going to vlog on lychee as a seasonal fruits here. I'm enjoying lychee right now during this lockdown period. I can move out here and there, so I thought of making one video on how I'm spending my time during these days. So this is seasonal fruit, so now is the season for the lychee and jackfruits, mango, and different types of fruits in our state Tripura. So friends, I'm enjoying fruits in Auxilium here. Lychee. Wow, it is very tasty. Very sweet. See with me here. Wow, fully ripe. See here also. It's still. It will take time to be. After a few days, it will get ready. It will be ripe, fully ripe. And now it's still green. And here also you can see nice lychee, fully. You can see here also green. It will be within a week. It will be getting ready. It will be fully ripe and some partially ripe. You can see. Wow, I'm enjoying. So. Okay then. Till then, stay home and stay safe. It's very important. So thank you and see you soon again next video. Bye bye.